Hello there my lovely friends, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert video files without any quality issues or quality losses. The reason why you need to do this is especially if you are running an Apple computer, a Mac, and you are creating a video file in Windows and you see that the video file, the same video file on your Mac is unplayable or have glitches. However, there are a broad band of reasons why you want to do this. If you go to this video, I'm sure that you know the reason. Now here I have an example. I recorded the previous tutorial on how to download Windows 11 last month, approximately, on Ice Cream Screen Recorder, a great program for Windows. They have a Mac version, but it's not very good. Now, the audio simply wouldn't work in the original file. As you can see, I can run this, and picture quality and everything else is working and functional, but not the sound. So, look what I did. Instead of trying to install codecs and some weird software that is going to tweak your Mac OS, I decided to simply change the video, just convert it, because otherwise I couldn't edit. My editing software would not recognize the sound in this file, and there is sound here. Now what you need to do is to convert. You don't necessarily have to convert it to a different format, but rather slightly different. You will see what I mean. So I use a program for Mac only that is called Smart Converter, whatever it means. To install it, you need to go to the App Store on your Mac, go to the search, it's the easiest way, and type Smart Converter, and here it is on my suggestions. Here you all got it. This is the icon, this is the name, this is how it looks. Install it. I already have it installed. It's fairly easy, just make sure you are connected to your Apple ID account. Next, you need to open this. So I've got here this launcher and Smart Converter. Here this is. If you want the file to be fully operational and functional on your Mac, I suggest converting it to a QuickTime format. You can also convert it to a Mac format, iPad, iPhone, iPod, etc. Music, Apple TV, if you will, and other devices. If you'll go here, for example, to QuickTime, it will convert it to a QuickTime file. Mac, to be honest, I have no idea what format this is truly, so I guess we can figure it out on the way. So let's go with the example for this tutorial. Go to QuickTime. By the way, this is I looked for many software. This is the best one I found that is free of charge. That's important to know. And I didn't say it in the beginning, but it is written in the title that this is for Mac only. Let's drag this file here. And as you can see, conversion speed will be fast. The length of this video is 10 minutes and 22 seconds. This is the name. And I can convert it to a Mac file or a QuickTime file. My suggestion, if you want it to work flawlessly on Apple devices, just go with the QuickTime. If you go with the Mac, iPod, iPhone or iPod, it can change the resolution, and this is not something that we want to do. Music, I assume it will just remove the picture and will keep the sound as an MP3 file or M4V, whatever. There are so many formats nowadays. So I will go here with QuickTime and click on Convert. Here it will advertise me for a Pro version, but it will still work, and without any limitations, by the way. It is not going to stick a watermark on the video, and this is not going to be half-baked video or only for half of the video. Okay, so it finished. So we can click on Show File, and now it opened it on the Finder, and I can open it. As you can see, this is now a .mov file. .mov. Previously it was an MP4, as you can see here, MP4, and I will get info. This is the extension of the file. Let's get back to Finder. And as you can see, I'll open it with QuickTime Player now. And the sound should work.
Hello everybody,
That's me. Now for the sake of the tutorial, so you don't tell me in the comments that I've come unprepared, let's convert it to a Mac format. No, let's close it and reopen it again. And let's convert it to a Mac format. I wonder what it is, but I'm sure that it is the same .mov file. Just slightly modifications to adjust maybe to Mac specifically. But I'm sure that this is not very important. This is something that is more likely to be an easy way for users to understand better this thing. Okay, it finished. Let's click on show file. And this is an MP4 file, so I was wrong. So a Mac format is an MP4. Good to know. And I'm sure that the sound here works as well. Let's check it out.
Hello everybody.
Works flawlessly. Now let's go to the original file and you will see again that nothing happens. The picture is great, but sound is not. And if you already, I did this again, I opened this file again just so you can compare the two image qualities. To my eye it seems no different. Maybe the professional ones can see some smaller minor differences, but I don't see it and I don't think this is truly critical. Anyway, we've come to the end of this video. So this was my first tutorial on a Mac. I hope you like it. And come join me for my next video. I'll probably make a tutorial about Windows 11 or keep my Nintendo series about The Legend of Zelda or whatever. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, goodbye, have a great time.